Hi all, this is the second video regarding your standardized patient telemedicine encounters for your Gen Med Lab final. This is an overview of the cases. The first video had logistics and about schedule and grade distribution, so please make sure that you have viewed that prior to this one or right immediately after. So this is the setting that you will be in and the pertinent information to some of your cases. You will have 4 cases within an hour, so please make sure that you plan accordingly regarding keeping time because you only have 15 minutes per patient. So you are the athletic trainer through the hospital working remotely. We will say Prisma. You are contracted to host virtual clinic throughout the day for general patients and local college teams. Patients can schedule an appointment with you or they can call for an immediate encounter. You are available for the next hour and currently have 3 patients scheduled for telemedicine appointments and have a team that is playing an away game. Each appointment is 15 minutes long, no longer than that, please. Sometimes patients who request an appointment will provide a brief description of what they are dealing with, and up to date, this is what you have for your upcoming patients. One of your patients, her name is Kyra. She's 19 years old, plays basketball. All she said was, "I don't feel well. Coach told me to make a telemedicine appointment with you." Second patient, Mia, is a 25-year-old female. She states that she feels really sick and that everywhere she's looked at it, all the medical facilities told her that she has to have a telemedicine appointment before seeking further help. Margaret, or Mark, is an 18-year-old freshman soccer player. They state that a few days ago they contacted you via the telemedicine hotline because they had a persistent headache, and you told them to request a follow-up appointment if it got worse or continued. I've taken what the athletic trainer gave me, but my head still hurts, is what they said. With Margaret and Mark, you have some notes from your previous encounter. So they contacted you complaining of the headache, described the pain behind his eyes, and a pinching sensation that had been occurring on and off for the last few days. 2 out of 3 on a scale of 10 for pain, a little bit of sniffing. When you asked, she claimed that she had a bit of a runny nose, but that was it. Denies history of a head injury and didn't remember any one incident that triggered her headaches. She has been studying for a big exam and thought the headache could be due to stress and lack of sleep. She was treated with over-the-counter pain reliever, Tylenol 500 milligrams, and given information on the importance of getting an appropriate amount of sleep, and told to contact the telemedicine hotline for an appointment if her headache worsened or continued. She did check in with you the next morning, just sent you a message stating that her headache was gone and displayed no symptoms, and she was able to continue activity and working out. So this is the information you have regarding your patients. So 3 have appointments. There may be immediate encounters as well. Please make sure you review this and that you are aware of which patient has provided what information. If you have any questions or need more information, please let me know. Feel free to reach out and make sure you watch both videos.